how to use Microsoft Forms for event registration. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Forms for event registration. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Microsoft Form and click on enter, and as you can see, the forms.office.com is the official website. You just have to simply click on here, and after clicking you have to log in or sign up to your Microsoft account, as I have already logged into my account. And after that, as it is a video related to event registration, so we'll click on registration from here, and then we can see many templates related to registration. Like, we will select the event registration as this is the video related to that. And after clicking on event registration, as you can see, the first page is event registration. Collect information for your event such as head count, logistics, food preference, and so on. So you can customize from here. Like here it says your name, enter your answer. You can just click on here and change it to something else. And after that, if you can select it required, the user must give their name to register on the event, and which session do you plan to attend. Session 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think the session name can be also editable, as you can see here. And after that, the third option is, do you need shuttle service from your place, yes or no. You can click on here and change the question. And after that, any food allergies, so you can change the question to your event. And how did you hear about this event? Our website, family or friend, email, newsletter, social media like Facebook, Twitter, etc. We can just click on here and list it like Facebook, YouTube, etc. and let it be like that. And after that, how would you like to receive additional information about the event? It can be phone call, email, or text, and include your phone number or email address. We can select it as mandatory, like clicking on required. And you can also add a new question like choice, text, rating, ranking, date, net promoter score, or section. So that's it for this video. That's how you can use Microsoft Forms for your event registration. So see you on the next video, guys.